Hi everybody, I'm going to hit the A major 7 today. The first one starts out down here. Pretty easy fingering. Open A. Middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the D string. Your pointer finger is on the 1st fret of the G string, and your ring finger is on the 2nd fret of the B string. The E can stay open. Try to keep the A open, and you could make it a 5-string strum. Nice chord. Okay, another form of A major 7 is basically if you take your pointer finger and you bar 4 strings, the D, the G, the B, and the E on the 2nd fret, and take your pinky and lay it on the 4th fret of the high E string. This is also can be a 4-string strum, or it can be a 5-string strum. So you could include the open A string, or leave it out and just go from here. Okay. Another nice A major 7 is this guy over here. Okay, so what is it? Your pinky is on the 7th fret of the D string. Your ring finger is on the 6th fret of the G string. Middle finger is on the 5th fret of the B string. And your pointer finger is on the 4th fret of the high E string. You can do it either as a 4-string strum or a 5-string strum. So first I'll do it as a 4, where we're just doing these 4 strings. And that is a 5-string strum. You could just include the open A note. Alright. Okay, here's another A major 7. You put your pointer finger on the low E string 5th fret. Put your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. Put your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D, and your pinky goes on the 6th fret of the G string. 4-string strum. Try to mute out the A string. And do not pluck this, or make it mute. A major 7. Okay, here's another A major 7. Take your middle finger and try to cover the 7th fret of the A string and the D string. Put your pointer finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and then you can either have your pinky do this as a 4-string strum with your pinky on the 9th fret of the B string, or you can use the pinky as a bar so that it bars the B string and the E string, and do a 5-string strum. Nice chord. Okay, here's an A major 7, about as high up the neck as you want to go. Basically, it's exactly the same as this chord. So you're fingering in an A major 7 alternative. In other words, this would be your normal or standard, and this is the alternative fingering. And you take it as a unit. Don't change your fingers, and bring it up so that the pointer finger sits on the 12th fret of the A string, and these go wherever they go, which I'll tell you anyway. Okay, that was a dumb thing to say. Okay, the D string 12th fret has your ring finger. The 13th fret G string has your middle finger, and your pinky is on the 14th fret of the B string. It's a 4-string strum. Not a bad sounding chord. Okay, you can, if your fingers will fit it and you have a guitar that'll handle it, you can play an A major 7 up here, which is the same chord as this one, but an octave higher. is kind of tough for me because my fingers are too fat. So pinky on what fret is this? 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19th fret. 19th fret for the pinky on the D string, 18th fret for the ring finger on the G string, 17th fret for the middle finger on the B string, and your pointer finger is on the, what is that? Again, I forgot already. 12, 13, 14, 15, on the 16th fret, okay? And it's a 4-string strum. If you can get it to come out. Again, very difficult for me because my hands are fat. Okay, well, I think we did this one. Okay, so there's one more, which is an octave above this one, where you barred the 4 strings on the 2nd fret and put your pinky down on the 4th fret. Just take that whole thing and slide it up to where the bar is on the 14th fret, and your pinky is on the high E string on the 16th fret. So you could just pluck 4 strings, or you could use the 5th one, the open A. That's about it for A major 7. Take care. Hope that helped.